Hey guys, haven't made a video in a while. I figured I'd give you an update. Truck's got some new exhaust, new long tubes on it, new manifold. Got it retuned for the winter. Do a little cold start. Down a couple dirt roads today, just messing around, and it's a little bit dirty. So I just got these $150 Summit headers. The truck is way quieter now under the hood. See, open this other door, hear it a little bit better. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be heading to the gas station. Figured I'd give you some in-cabin sounds with this. Honestly, it's not too bad going down the road. See if I can hold the camera while doing this. Got the dog here with me. But no, it's not too bad. The other headers that were on there before, I cannot remember what brand they were. I want to say like Flowtech, or that's probably wrong, but they were rusted through. You can fit your fingers through some of the rust holes in them. These Summit ones I got, they were $150. I've still got head studs that need to be pulled out, but these ones are good for now. I've got some good gaskets on there, and so I can afford to get those heads pulled and have that fixed. But now, you know, I can hear, I don't know if it's good or not, but I mean, I hear all the rattling and all the other things basically loose or going wrong in this truck, like the steering squeaking and everything, which I could not hear before. You wouldn't even be able to hear me talking right now, so this is quite a bit better. So for $150, I mean, I'm not trying to make a race truck or anything here. I daily drive this thing. I just drove it 90 miles last night up here to Oklahoma, and you know, I do it every weekend. So I just need this thing to be reliable and not put too much money into it, because I'm already putting, you know, $300 a month in gas in this thing. So, but yeah, I'm not disappointed. You know, I've had these on for 2 months now, I would say, and between that and the muffler, the new tires, this thing isn't really that bad to drive this far, you know, on a daily basis. I'm gonna get up around this stop sign up here, and I'll get on it a little bit. Ready, Boomer? Alright, so I'll just do a little first gear. Second gear. Third gear. That's 70 right there. You know, I need to get some sort of mount for this camera. I mean, this probably looks horrible right now. So, here, I could probably... Window down, it's freezing outside today, but... Neutral rev. You know, I swear I had a full tank when I started this video. Let's see if I can make this turn here around. There we go. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a 5 things I love about about this truck for the next video after this one. It's been like 4 months since I did that 5 things I hate, you know, and I wasn't going to do another video, but this one, you know, people are starting to view it now 4 months later, so it's kind of moving up. People are commenting, so I figured, well, why not? I'll make another one. I've got nothing else to do today, so just throw the dog in the truck and start recording. I wonder if the cows will like it. They stared. Alright, so just made it back. There's the new bed for this thing. If I can ever get around to getting it painted. It's got no rust on the inside. It's a short bed. You know, I picked up an entire truck for $500. Sold the rest of the truck. Kept the bed. So I'm actually made some money off of it. Yeah, guys, but I think these headers, they're not a bad deal. I mean, for $150, you can't really beat it, you know, having long tubes. I've only had them 2 months. I can't really complain. The fitment is really hard to get it to fit down past the axle over here. It comes really close to it, and it's hard to get them to fit. I had to have a shop do mine. I couldn't do it in the driveway. I tried, and I just could not get it in there. Passenger side went on perfectly fine. It was the driver's side, you know, pulled the starter down. I just couldn't get it past the axle. But for $150, it made the truck way quieter. It sounds smooth now. When you're in front of the truck, there's no noise. Before, you couldn't tell if the exhaust was coming out the front or the back. But, you know, I'm really pleased with it. You know, I'm not trying to throw a $600 set of headers on there. You know, I already dump too much money in this thing on a daily basis, but I mean, I like them. You know, I can't complain. They are what they are, but you know, I give them a thumbs up. So.